The boy box me in my face. Who tell the boy for box me in my face? Who tell the boy for box me in my face? Welcome back to my channel. Hi everybody, you don't know it's a girl Ratty, and I'm here with another video. My name, if you come here today, so I'm just the wild like a rap African rap or whatever I know. And that hurt me so yeah. Camera here. Yes, so me I go in a couple minutes or seconds, not minutes, seconds, to subscribe to my channel. Yes, me I go in a little time to subscribe to my channel. Yes, I want to subscribe and press the notification bell down below. Yep, and remember to comment and like. Comment and like. Yes, so this video I'll be doing about, this video is about my first fight, the first time yes, so first time I fight. Yes, so let's get into the video. So the first time I fight, that when me there go up primary school. Anybody will know me, you know say me not get trouble. I was this quiet little girl. Me not get trouble, me not even talk. Me not even so me can't talk. Me not even so me can't talk to hold me quiet. And I pray to this day, I kind of have the spirit the same way. Till, yeah, some of my friends know me like, you know, yes, but I still stay the same way. I'm still quiet. So people now trouble me, but I never fight at first. Me fight still. Probably me in grade 6 and 5 year me big, me can't fight now. I don't know if that. So me dey out of the road at evening. I go home in time. I go home. So but through my school, I'm going. Everybody will go to Mongrel school. No, that's a Westmoreland Mongrel school, Savannah, Jamaica. Everybody will go to Mongrel school. No, but the sausage, fried, the boiled sausage and fried flour and turkey neck and fried dumpling. Everybody over Mongrel school know about that. So yes, go in time now. I'm at the road away for me turkey neck and fried flour, fried dumpling. Anybody know what flour, fried dumpling or whatever no one call. Me out the road away for me turkey neck and fried flour. I don't remember exactly what happened. I don't remember exactly what happened, what caused the fight. But I remember I'm gonna have the buckle in my hand. So I don't remember exactly what caused the fight as I was saying. But I remember when the boy pulled me on my back. On my face, sorry. See what I do? When the boy in my face, I don't remember somebody have a bag on my back, some grade 6 bag. We pack a book in the car when we used to get timetable in time there. My bag pack with all the grade 6 textbook and writing, book and everything. Pencil, geometry set, this, that. I have the bag on my back. And to home in the fights, I not even remember so me have the bag on my back. The bag heavy, you know, I tell you when the bag heavy. I remember so me have the bag on my back. To how the boy, I remember the boy name, so I call him Potato. To how Potato, to how you make me want lick it down. To remember somebody have the bag on my back. So me just fling potato down the ground. So I fling potato down the ground. Put me hands on potato neck. Crazy on me. And me a bite him in the belly and I'm potato. You saw me I do him. People can draw me for him, man. And they can draw me for him. Cut in it. When I jam me for him now, I mean, come on, shake up myself. If the boy turn up or down or in the dirt, me don't know where to turn. Me no see the boy. Me no see the boy. Me no see the boy. The boy. God. So that was my first fight when I was in grade 6. The government time out a road. When me a buy my turkey neck and dumpling to come home. Cause I don't $20 turkey neck and $10 dumpling. Sometimes I can buy $5 dumpling with it. They get about two dumplings. The entire day nice. I mean I'm still used to go to school, Mr. Bauer. Fried chicken back, yes, fried chicken back. Woo! Fried chicken back and put some ketchup, honey and pepper. He bad. So that is my first fight. So after that now I start fight like her frequently, but I know say pay boy though. Them boy they have woman strength. Girl strength them have. I fight one next boy in grade 6. I'm going to fight one next boy. 3 more boy I fight. 3 more. I'm just supposed to beat them up, you know. I'm supposed to beat them up. Remember beat up 2. Remember what next one supposed to be thumping in my eye. You took me in my eye, boy. Remember. But the thing is, me and all them my friend now. Remember 3 of them in last 3 of them, but we can't remember the boy name. What in your life I tell your name? P, supposed to P name started in my boy. The first boy I fight. I don't want to tell no lie. After my first time, I didn't tell them about. But we can't go no look a piece. And the next one no. I went in a grade 6 same way, you know. I still me sit the boy, you know, the boy some beside of me. So what the boy some beside of me, you know. I'm going in my bag and I'm take out. I have some lotion in my bag. Lotion. I have a cocoa butter lotion in my bag. And tapping on plastic bag. You know, so me in a grade 6 now, so whatever, me the one when I come out even time to rub up my body and all these things. So I just have a cocoa butter lotion in one bag, and then you just tell tambourine. We rub up the tambourine, they look like I cocoa butter lotion. But the boy come and think can't see a cocoa butter lotion. The boy say what they have in your bag, you know that a tambourine. I say no a lotion. You keep on say a tambourine. I say no a lotion. The boy box me in my face. I would tell the boy to box me in my face. Who tell the boy to box me in my face? But did they what you see over the summer side? And did it in one corner. I did the open the pass inside of the teacher can walk. Him in the corner. I push him down that corner, you see? And I give him some. Kill him with lick. Beat him up. Beat up the boy. I'm telling him, beat up the boy. As I beat up the boy now, I'm just walk, just brush off. Walk on my seat, go sit down. And teacher did there, no? The teacher did there, look at me. But the truth, me not trouble in our class. I brush off myself and go sit down. And the boy so nothing happen. The teacher not even say help. Because me not get trouble. Teacher not say nothing to me. But me and boyfriend today. Big up yourself, boy. You know who you are. You know say you need to watch this video. What? I'm not going no more. My fight story. So, yes. 2 fight that maybe make me win. The next one. And the boy them talk me, yeah, remember me tell you. I remember you. So guys, this is the end of my video. This is the end of my story. This is the end of my story. So if you like the story, please comment, like, share if you can, and subscribe, and join my little gang. Yeah, I don't know me I give me name my gang name yet. Still I come up with some little gang name. I'm not ready to get my gang name yet. Our gang can go on. I don't know, I'm not ready yet. Yeah, still go on. So yes guys, if you reach this far, thank you for watching, and if you reach this far, you're part of my gang. So yeah guys. So yes guys, thanks for watching again, and peace out.